Hi guys, can you hear us?
Can you hear me?
That's so they reduce my mic.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Say no be by size.
Yeah. The man in front, are you sleeping? No, you can sleep. Don't worry.
Certified is kind of a boring person, so just feel free to sleep at any time.
I want to sit down like you guys. Seyi, do you want to go first?
So we're actually very lazy people. So we didn't prepare any slides for you guys. Just to be fair. I thought he was going to do it. He thought I was going to do it.
Oh, no,
You know, just so that's why this is our background today. We don't have slides, and this is not even us just joking. We actually don't have any slides for today. That's jokes, but we don't have slides for today. Today is actually a different session. We're going to be having a design session with you guys. And so we're not going to have any slides up there. We're actually going to call one or two of you. Are going to build a live solution together. Is everybody good? So out of just the graciousness of somebody's heart, I know somebody is just feeling nice. Who wants to join us on stage? I can remove, oh, sorry, it's not here. I wanted to remove my DevFest tag for you, but they seized it. They said I'm not fit to be a speaker. So
I have my own.
Okay.
Would you like to join us on stage?
On the camera. Out of, oh, you want to come? Come on. A round of applause, a round of applause.
Let's clap for him, please. You can take your headphones off. Let's clap for him, please. Seyi left his chair for you.
See, this is what it means to be respectful. You are sitting down.
Don't worry about it.
Please have a seat, sir.
Welcome.
Welcome.
What's your name, sir?
What's your name?
Jonadab Uro, and I'm an AI engineer.
Oh, wow. Yes. You're one of them.
Should I call you Mister?
No.
AI engineer. Okay.
So, do we have a designer, backend, mobile fraud? I'm sorry. Just mobile engineer in the house. Sorry, just a cough. Like it happens time.
The man in front, what do you do? Back end.
Oh, I'm
he cooks beans. Please, just come out.
We have no pots, but I think we can manage it. Don't worry. Here you go. And then any designers in the building that would like to join us generally?
Oh, they know their stuff. That's why they're hiding. They know what we're about to do to them. Designers, any designer.
Any project managers by any chance?
Front end. So everybody here is back end except that guy. Una the lie well. Front end? Come on. Come and take my chair.
No. I'm very. There's no women on this panel.
Oh, it's true.
So
the lady there, her hand was up. Please come this way. Come this way. Clap for her, please. You've not gotten your name.
My name is Chinemerem Chibidolu.
So I'll just call you Chi then.
You can call me Chiboy.
Chiboy. Yeah. This is Chi Man, by the way.
He'll be in music in like the next 2 years after he fails in tech, but it's fine. All jokes.
It's on the record now, by the way.
If you mistakenly don't make it.
Introduce yourself, please.
Oh, hi guys. My name is Divine Sarah and I'm a front-end engineer.
Okay, so now we have a front-end, a back-end, and AI, the main man in the middle.
So just as a show of hands, how many people know what a design session is? Jesus, what have you guys been building?
I'm not picking you. I don't see your hand up. Any other important person, please? Yeah, sorry. So you can take me after.
But on a serious note, how many people have been to a technical design session once in their life?
There's a hand up in the back.
Jesus, we're cooked in this country.
Yes, we are. Okay. Do you want to tell them what the design session is? Okay. So a design session, as we're going to show you in a few minutes, is the thought process behind an idea. Yes, when you have an idea, you have to iron it out between yourselves, the members of a team. stretch it out, understand the boundaries, and then detail out what you want to build, which is what we are going to do in the next. At this time, they count to 24 minutes.
So today we're going to be solving an interesting problem, at least to me. I don't know about you guys. We want to somehow in DevFest know when somebody sits down on a seat. So we have an application in DevFest. I don't know if they told you about it. The people that knew. We know when any of you sit down on a seat. Yes. Like now, I can tell you for a fact that 60 people are in this room sitting down.
He's lying, by the way.
Trust me, bro. But to be fair, that's the app we want to build. We want to be able to know how many people are sitting in the room at a time when somebody has stood up and signal another person that a seat is free. Because on a normal day, this room is supposed to be free. I mean, it's me that is speaking. But, I've not made it yet, so that's fine. We're supposed to be able to say, oh, one person has stepped out of this room. There's a new room. Somebody can come and fill it in. Do you understand?
The first question that should pop in your mind is, what is the use case? Why do we need this app? Does anybody have an idea? The people in the front. Oh, take the mic and say it, no fear.
For attendance.
Okay. I want to know attendance. So why do I care
when somebody leaves?
Yeah.
I suppose for those who are organizing the programs and the guards are outside now and taking people in and out, they can't be the one going counting and looking for 3 seats. So
they should automatically know when the
yes,
seat is free and just take you there.
So
I love the answer.
A counter perhaps that goes up and down.
Okay.
So we do the work for the ushers. Okay.
That is fair.
Somebody raised up his hand here, the man in the dread.
Okay, so
usually at the beginning of the design session, what you want to get is, the goal of the design session is that everybody on the team, which is all of them, should leave the hall or the room, in this case, with the exact same picture of what you're building. And the most important step of that is, what is the problem we are trying to solve in the first place? And why are we solving it? And in this case, how many did we get? We got
3 problems.
Attendance.
Interest
in a session. Saving the ushers the problem of tracking who steps out and what.
Yeah, knowing which seats are available at every point in time.
I think the last one I'll add is notifying people when there's a free room in a session. Are we good? Anything else?
Does anybody want to add anything else? Come again? There's a hand there. I want to listen to that before I speak to this. Go on.
I feel like we're solving a problem of easy access. Like you mentioned, that this room is supposed to be full. That's probably because you've not made it. So if this room is full, people probably want to stand.
Guy, you dey troll am, your speaker. You dey throw your wow. Such confidence. Let's clap for him, please. I love it. I love it. Go ahead.
In which the ushers will probably have to close the door.
Yes.
Or something. So in order to solve that problem, everybody's outside. Like there's silence. You're walking up and down because here is full. So like there's no point. So you're going to solve that problem. And when somebody moves out, it's very easy for somebody else to come back inside. Because you're going to solve the problem, and in the details, there'll probably be even the seat number. So you even know where you're going. That way you're not walking up and down.
Okay, let's highlight our problems again. Interest, right? We want to know which seats are available at every point in time so that we know where to put people when they come in to make the stuff easy for the ushers. That's not a problem. Our man here says to stop stampedes.
I don't think that's valid.
If we include opening and closing of the doors.
Imagine
that is not.
I'm going to find inside the design section.
We'll get there. Well,
let's put it there. Yeah.
So to reduce stampedes, right? That's 3 main problems. I think I'm forgetting one. Attendance. She's very smart. That's why she's up here. Clap for her, please. Okay, so the first thing we need to discuss is, since we know who this app is for, the admin, the guys up there that would soon reduce my mic, we know who it is for. We now need to decide, do you want to say something? We now need to decide what type of interface they would need to interact with the app, right?
Yeah, can we list the common interfaces?
Web. CL for ya? Woo! Who is that man?
And there is Father Abraham, guys.
Okay, so we have web. We are going to ignore that one.
No, we
An
keep
app.
on hearing mobile. We're just talking about important interfaces.
I'm sorry. We're just trolling
We're
one
joking.
specific guy. It's not all mobile guys.
Web, mobile,
He says an app, so mobile, yeah?
yeah.
So that falls on that web.
Desktop for
Mostly.
Grumps, but that's fine.
So web and
Um,
mobile.
Web,
Is there any person working in the admin that can answer a question for us? The lady with red glasses that is slowly walking away from us so that she does not answer. I would like to know, do you have a question? Yeah, we'll get there. No, they rush. Calm down. They need a rush perfection. So we have web and mobile, yes? Anybody in admin, which of those two interfaces will be easier for you guys to handle? Question? Mm-hmm.
Oh, no, we don't. We're just trolling you.
We're just trolling you, actually.
Oh, no.
But we can put that under apps. Yeah,
But we're
so
just
the
trolling.
app is not just mobile friendly, it's also desktop friendly.
But based on the problem we've stated so far, what do you think solves this the best? Said? We have web, we have mobile. You said?
Let's see our hands up if we say web.
If you say web, raise up your hand. Yes?
According to the problems we highlighted here, it will be used by the admin. Web? Where are the mobile guys? You gave up on your career so easily.
God damn it.
Wow. Our colleague here would like to say something.
I think mobile too.
Okay,
Why?
why is that?
For notification, I mean, how often would you be on your laptop to check the web? So if someone gets up, you need to get a notification immediately that, oh, this person has gotten up.
You see why we brought her here, right? Amazing. I love it. So we can now throw that mobile girl out of the hall, I mean. Deny these people. Okay, I love that. Go on. Push notifications.
No, fight. This is
Fight,
what
that's
the
what we
session is for.
want.
Okay, so I believe we can have like PWAs, like
One house.
progressive web apps, and
Please go again. I stopped hearing you at the start.
okay, so normal web apps
Okay.
that you can open on your Chrome, you can like download instances of them to your home screen as a PWA.
Now,
It's still
do
going
you
to, you are still
think-
going to get notifications.
I love it, but do you think every single person in the admin here knows how to do that right now?
It will prompt you to download it.
Okay. There are a lot of voices.
It's
If you want
mobile
to
web.
talk, please
We're
raise
talking
up your
about
hand.
Expanding the stretch.
We have Mr. Glory there, please. We have very little time.
um
13 minutes.
using mobile apps just give you like access to like native features, right? Gives you access to native features. So PW might not be like the best option for us to use here.
Are you a mobile developer?
Yes.
He's one of them. Let's clap, please.
So also one more question I want to ask: are we still going to be having ushers in-house ushers? if we are building that.
Yes.
Yes. They need to take them to the chair that is empty.
So that means mobile app is the best. I think we have our answer.
Yeah, I want to point out again before your questions that one of the problems we were trying to solve was that when the usher brings someone new into the hall, they don't know which seat is available. So they have to walk around the hall to look for something open and then take them there. But if they have a notification and they know so and so seat on so and so row is empty, you just take them there. Right? I know I saw 2 hands here. Let's take it from the back because they are closer to the mic.
We've not even gone to building the actual site.
No, local network can work now. It can be.
I love it. Please, let's clap for that question. That's another problem we need to solve.
Also, we'd not like you to troll us. Your network is not working inside this hall. It's not the state.
Hi. Good afternoon. I'm quite lost because some of us came in late and we'd like to know what problem we're trying to solve, what this is about, first of all.
I'm so sorry.
Thank you very much.
I'm sorry. Mr. AI, do you want to tell them? No, he has been recording this whole thing since Fireflies.
Okay. From all the info we've gotten, I think this application is solving order and arrangement, very important, and interest. Also, crowding too, it will also help. Then we have attendance. So those are the 4 main, if you have to summarize everything from what we've been saying so far, those are the main things this application is actually solving. And it's
I don't think that explains everything she wanted to hear.
okay.
Bring you up to speed real quick.
Yes.
We're having a design session. We are having a design session, and the design session is a session where you basically have an idea and you build it out and you banter about what's the best way to build the idea, the features it's going to have, and how they're going to work. That's a design session. But rather than tell you about it, we're showing you how to do it, which is why you see everybody in this room about to fight that boy there that does mobile. So that's basically where you are. And the application we want to build is to solve 4 problems generally. To be able to know when somebody leaves the hall, so there's a free seat, and notify, which is something everybody missed, but I was going to come back to it, and notify other participants that there's a free seat and they should come and occupy it. 1, you should also be able to track how many people are in a hall at a time. And 3, it should help you with knowing how many people are interested in a particular session based on the number of people there, as well as keep attendance. Are you up to speed? Mobile app was about to speak. So you came to a tech event without your laptop, and you're putting that on me?
Okay, wait. Just generally, if you have a question, just raise your hand first. Let's see. So you guys don't want... We have 10 minutes left to go chase us from this stage.
Love it.
Okay, go
Okay,
ahead.
so we saw 3 hands. Let's take that, then we
Yes.
speed up.
Okay, I believe that we're talking about which platform will be the best between the web or the Android, between the web or the mobile, right? So I believe if it's those two, it's going to be the mobile. But I was going to ask, what of other platforms that might be better than the two? Like, what of the Watch OS or, your smartwatch and the rest? The reason is because some events, right, some phones might not be allowed or might be prohibited or something. Like in your
One house.
in your watch now, you can get like a vibration or something.
Okay.
Do you
Question
get-
to the house. How many of you have a smartwatch with you?
For some reason, Ebeneezer, it's not working.
Yeah, your watch is not smart enough. Our mobile dev wants to talk again. No, I've given you mobile dev. Don't worry about it.
I think we are forgetting that this application is for the admin and not we.
Oh, yeah, he added that one.
I added that part. We actually missed out the specification. It's actually both for the admin and for the... To be fair, the average... Trust me, bro. The average 90... Nigerian thing is not going to, you don't want to bet on the fact that the average DevFest attendee is wearing a smartwatch. Let's find out.
I don't
If you're
even
wearing a
have a watch on me.
smartwatch, raise up your hand. Wearing a smartwatch right now, raise up your hand. Yeah, that's why we're not building it or where else. Is that? Is that?
No, that one is a dumb watch. Let's not get it twisted.
So that's why we're not doing well else here.
But I love that idea.
But I love the idea. I think in like, give Nigeria maybe like,
But if you're in an event where a wearable device is provided outside before you even get in, yes, that might
it's a
work.
conversation.
But in DevFest, you never dash me a watch yet, so
7 minutes. Okay, so I think at this point we're just fighting. We already know that it's a mobile app that we're going to use. And stop giving me that smug look. We know that it's a mobile app that we're going to use. The reason being, one, is the one thing that you know that everybody's going to have. Two, your admins are most likely going to be on a move throughout the day. For example, I'm an organizer. I haven't sat down all day. I'm not going to carry my phone and be opening a web app. And no, I'm not. Three, native applications. I want to see the notifications and all of that. Now, we've listed out the problems, we listed out the features. We listed out the problems, we listed out the problems. What features do we need to have on it? Quick fire, rapid fire, hands up.
notification. I love it.
Love it.
This man come
They
to
will
design
chase us off
session.
stage, but still, I love it.
So, in the case of people standing up now, let
Okay.
me say I'm actually standing up to just ease myself. Now, how would they know that this person is coming back? Because I would like to go now and come back. Someone has taken my
I believe there's a way we can
Oh
build
my
the app.
God.
I believe there's a way we can build the app that will solve that.
Yes, we'll get there.
We'll get there. Features. Sorry,
I
microphone.
knew there was a reason I picked you. Why is he smiling? Because we said mobile. It's just smiling.
So the UI would have an interface that simulates the hall, right? So you can know exactly where each seat is, which is free, which is not, yada yada yada.
That's
So
a
much like
good
a
feature.
cinema app. Yeah.
Okay.
A simulated environment of the hall, of each hall. So
Can we shout
notifications-
actually?
Yes,
Because
let's just
that
do rapid fire,
guy
go half time.
cardio is probably on 10,000 steps today already.
Yes,
Shoot.
just shout. Yes. What?
Lost or left something on the seat.
Ooh.
We've not even finished from Abia. You're
The
ready.
thing go foul. Clap for that young man, please. Wow, amazing.
V2, Sha.
But it's not today, Sha. But
Not today, but V2.
I love it.
Hello.
I feel like the problem
Hello?
the guy said about knowing when someone is visiting themselves. I feel like a reservation feature would solve that.
A what?
And a reservation feature where you get a countdown, maybe a 5 minutes countdown, and then if the person is not back on the seat, then it goes off.
Oh, I don't know when to clap. I love it. I don't need to
Hello?
tell you anymore.
Okay.
So wait.
All right.
Me, I have a problem.
Exactly.
So it takes you 5 minutes
Bros.
to go to the toilet.
Don't
and
worry
come back.
about it. Don't worry about
Calm
it.
down.
Now
Nah,
beans
it's
in chop.
I mean,
All right.
Yes,
So my own question is just that
One
how are we
house.
connecting? Okay, yeah. I said how are we connecting the tier? There's individual tiers right now to the device. That's just the question. Are we using camera lidar system, sensors? Like how are we connecting the tiers itself to the device before we can figure out the other things?
Okay, we'll get there. But
Features. That's
let's
what
finish features first. Yeah? Lady in red.
Shoot.
We have 4 minutes to
Shoot.
just shout. Don't worry,
Just
I
shout,
can hear
just
you.
shout.
You.
It's shocking to Avi. Wow. Okay, I think those are two
Okay,
questions.
no, so I'm not done. What if we are doing it there? It takes more than 5 minutes. And besides that, you said to time the person for 5 minutes, right? Okay, are you sure that person, like, how do I put this? What if each person, like, one person stands up, 5 minute timer starts, and then when it's 3 minutes, someone else stands up, and then the timer goes off after 5 minutes. The person that stood up after 3 minutes, it's
Two more questions.
how are you certain is that person?
Are you seeing the argument we've created? We are agents of chaos. I love it. Argue, please. I don't know who to pick because I'm seeing so many hands up. So let me take this guy here.
In the system.
Yeah.
Ushers, let them go at it up until the first punch.
Once you start punching each other, I will call it a day and leave this place. Yes, you. And then you put the amount of time.
I'm thinking.
Wait, if there is no response within 5 minutes, I think it is enough reason for us to like release the seats.
Well, without saying notification and a button that can click.
Well,
yes, that's what he's saying. Yeah.
The goal time is 5 minutes now.
Features? Is this features? Okay, let's go from this to this.
Unfortunately, we are
out of time. They will chase us.
But that's a design session. The chaoticness of it, the questions you're asking, the thoughts you are putting into the simplest of features is the point of a design session. And it saddens my heart that when I asked the question and nobody raised up their hand that they've actually had a design session. When you build a product and people use it, the amount of thoughts that you put inside it should show. And that's why we have a design session. We're meant to all think about what's the best way to solve this problem, what's the best way to present it to the user, and what are the edge cases that we have not thought about. For example, a beautiful question is, how am I even going to know that somebody's on the seat? Am I using a sensor? How am I tying that to the phone?
Yeah,
there's a million and one questions from one of the simplest apps ever. And this is a very simple app, by the way. So the final thing is, do you guys want us to talk about how we intended to build the application and we round it up?
No. You pay $100 each. If not, I'm not talking. Is anybody paying? Yeah. Say please. They don't say please now. Yeah, I will just do it for free.
So we have 30 seconds. How the main problems in it is, how do I know someone has entered into, how do I know that somebody has sat down? How do I allocate it to that person? One. How do I retain the seat if the person has to go for a break? And how do I notify other people that there's a free seat? Let's zip through it. You got a ticket ID. We assign that ticket ID to you. We put that ticket ID on your tag. We're going to use a pin, not a tag, if we're going to allow this application to work. There's going to be a large camera there, OCR, so that when you sit, it scans you and assigns that seat to your tag ID. I saw 15 seconds just now.
Time's up.
Wow. But it scans it and assigns that seat to you. In the occasion that you're about to stand up, it's going to say, please note, do you want to reserve this seat? Are you going outside? It reserves it for 5 minutes. If you're going outside, say your 5 minutes is almost up. Do you want to extend it? You extend it. When you come back, it says that you've gone back. All the statistics are going to the web app. Thank you all for coming to our session. Hope you had a nice time.
Please. Clap for our people in front.
A round of applause for our wonderful panelists, and hope you guys enjoyed yourself.
Thank you very much.
See you next year.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.